Welcome back in. If you are a pet owner, this is one of the things you will eventually deal with, saying a final goodbye to your pet. It can be very difficult, but many feel uneasy having to do it at a doctor's office. Well, Dr. Jerome Williams from Red Mountain Animal Clinic, our regular guest, and Dr. Lindsay Floyd, the founder of what's called Compassionate Crossing. It's a company she created to help with that process. They join us in the studio. Good morning to both.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good to
Thank
see
you for
you.
having us.
You've been through this with me and many
Absolutely.
others.
Over the years, we've brought many people with special veterinary special skills and talents here. And this is one of those segments that's more difficult for many of us. You know, that time comes when we've done the best that we can do, and it's time to let go. And many of us rather not have that done in the office of the veterinarian. And we have someone here, Dr. Floyd, that's able to accommodate some of our people in their home.
So what's the difference? So it happens at home if that's where you want it? Tell us
It
about
does. So Compassionate Crossings, we have basically turned this into in-home euthanasia for pets. And so you'll continue to work closely with your veterinarian. And when you guys have decided that it's time to make that decision, then we offer the service of coming into your home.
And why do some people feel like they like that better? What do people tell you?
So this is a huge growing demand in the field of veterinary medicine. We have people call our office every day. I'm in general day practice, and that's the preference. People want to stay at home. Their pets are comfortable there. It's their environment that they're used to being in. There's no stressors for them at home, and there's no stressors for you. I think sometimes going into the veterinary clinic, there's other people that you're having to pass by. There's other animals that are barking. Not every clinic has a grief room.
And there's certainly a difference in your pet being sick, taking them in, you realize something's happened, and then you know the end's coming while you're at home, and that way you wouldn't have to, I guess, take them in. It's hard. Is that part of it?
It is. It is. It's hard. It's very stressful. A lot of kitties especially don't like being in their carriers, don't like getting in that unfamiliar environment. And then there's the whole drive home for you as the pet owner. And that's just something that a lot of people just would rather be at home and not have to deal with.
Even last week, it was that time for that pet to go, and they asked, can you come to my home and do it? We just don't have the ability to do that. So we had them call Dr. Floyd.
All right, we're out of time, but the cost to do something like that, I just have to ask you, I know that's what viewers would be asking.
Yeah, so the home visit itself is $350. That's the euthanasia visit. And then we have a website, www.compassionate-crossings.com. All of our aftercare pricing is on there. We handle all of the cremation, all of the memorial items. We'll do everything for you and then bring it right back to your doorstep. So you really don't have to worry about anything after you make the call.
We hate that time, but thank you for trying to make it a little bit easier.
Thank you for having us.
All right, we'll be right back.